Hello and welcome to gui.dog. Oh yes. So, what are we doing today? We are going to look at a new model. So we'll grab my Gwen and see whether we get some. Yeah, there we are. And the one we're looking for that's been added is this one right here, Gwen 3 235B, right there. Yep, that's the ID right there. It's priced at $1.50, and it's, I don't think it is the biggest model that is available. I think I've seen a 671B, but supposedly it's a new one. So let's take the ID, let's copy that ID and see whether we can actually use it. Here we are in root code. Let's see if we can add it. Custom, save, done. We're on ask, and let us ask a question. Write a hello world in Rust lang. Let's see whether it will work. It's thinking. I've used the model. I mean, it does work, but to be honest, I don't. It's just a bit. It thinks a lot and doesn't get the thing done. I don't understand what benefit it confers, but anyway, it's there. Maybe I haven't used it enough, and let's see what it does. It's connecting with the API request. If you're liking what you're seeing, then make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, choose all, give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let us know in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up or thumbs down, and if you want unlimited access to an API key, then go to Fastlane Business Forum. You will see the link in the description. For $9 a month, you will have unlimited access to models such as these, and there is a fair use policies. If you're using it productively, then go ahead, but if you're abusing it, then you will be limited, and it's first come first serve. So if you want to get on board the newest technology, that is AI, and future-proof your learning and your income and your standard of living in 10 years time, then make sure to join the Fastlane Business Forum. So let's see. I don't want you to switch. Let me redo it. Well, it's connected, but it hasn't written the actual program. Required code implementation. But I don't want you to code. I just want you to tell me what the hello world in Rust looks like. Let's see whether it does it. The DeepSeek R1. I think that's the biggest model, and the bigger the model, the more expensive. So obviously, if you're paying OpenGPT or Anthropic, whatever, at the minimum $20 a month, then you are saving money by joining the Fastlane Business Forum, and this is taking ages to do. API request, and then if you look up here, used up 9.5k tokens already. So yeah, so you can really eat up tokens, and then it can really cost you a lot. Trying to find out how to use AI in the most effective way. But so it's best to limit how much you're spending, otherwise you might end up bankrupting yourself without realizing it. So it is cost efficient. If you're going to use more than $9 a month of AI, then it is worth joining the Fastlane Business Forum. And the API key is right there in front of you. Well, anyway, this is taking ages. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.